Hello, friends. Welcome back to our series on Guess the Remedy. So, today I would like to share with you a case of a 10-year-old boy who's having very severe vomiting. Uh, it was so severe that he could not eat food. मतलब, anything he ate, he would just vomit. And this was going on since, for at least 6 to 8 months. So the child was losing weight, becoming weak, not being able to go to school. Day by day, he was just getting confined to his room, to his bed, growing weak, emaciated, very difficult. They tried a lot of treatments and then they came for homeopathy. And the mother says that, I was so proud of my child. He's very intelligent. He's just perfect in the school. He's the topper in the school, in spite of he being at home, not being able to go to school, with whatever he could read by his own and whatever little school he attended, he still was the topper in the class, you know and everybody in the school says that he is the A class student, top. And the child tells me that I'm suffering so much because of this. Maybe this suffering also is there for a purpose. Maybe because of this I will learn how to treat and how to empathize patients when I become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. I want to treat such very difficult diseases. Hmm? So I ask him, so talk about your chief complaint. What's the problem? So he says that doctors tell me that it is because of some infection that you are having this recurrent vomiting. But since they have told us this, I have eaten um food of the utmost hygiene. In fact, I eat only organic food. I eat food only prepared at my house. I don't eat out anything where I feel there is slightest compromise in the hygiene. Hmm? And sometimes I'm able to eat, sometimes food remains, but sometimes after half an hour I'll start feeling very nauseous and I'll feel that I want to vomit. And the mother says many times, uh, before he can eat the food, he will give me the food. He will serve me the food and he will ask me, you take, I will check whether you get any symptoms. If you don't get any symptoms, only then I will eat. So he was so mm, finicky he had become that he couldn't eat food on his own. Every time he had to eat, he had to have his mother one or two bites. The mother will have. Only then, after half an hour, the child will have. So tremendous fear. He got very finicky, panicked. And he says most probably this started because, once I was playing with all my friends and we saw some mushrooms in the outside and we thought maybe these mushrooms are edible. So I tried, picking them up and maybe some particles after that went into my mouth and I ate. Maybe by mistake I have eaten something. I don't know, but maybe because of that this has started. And he says, "Mm, I have very bad dreams that, while I am sleeping in my room, there is a big ghost that is coming out of my bedroom wall and it's very scary and I get so scared. I see that image, that whole big ghost, and I get scared and I start screaming, yelling, and I shout and I call my mother, 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 come here, come here. And then I see it's a dream actually. Hmm? And the mother says that screaming yelling is also nowadays during his complaint that now he will have nausea in the night after having his dinner, and then suddenly he'll start screaming, mother, come here, now I'm having nausea, now what to do, maybe I'm going to have a vomiting again. So I'm very scared. He's very scared and terrified. Okay, so this is the case for today. Tell me, what is